automotive is one of the biggest areas of innovation in terms of IoT. Getac, which is one of our IoT partners focusing on computer vision and vision. Getac's solution really expresses the portfolio of what an edge device, and specifically a vision edge device, can be. They have dash cams, which are small examples of sensors where the compute is actually external. So the stream from the dash cam, whether that's infrared or RGB, is connecting back to external compute. You also have two other form factors, a dash cam with some integrated compute and a full Windows PC derivative powered by IoT that is aggregating the different vision streams and can potentially run AI for certain applications. So this is a great suite for police offerings. We have the Memphis Police Station, where I'm from. We have the Philadelphia Police Station already deploying this solution, and it gets more powerful with cloud and AI. So really exciting innovation from our partner Getac, but we're just scratching the surface of what these endpoints, edge endpoints, can do when combined with our AI offerings.